I'm Tim Bledick with OFO's Training and Outreach Division, and I'm here today with Dexter Brooks, the Associate Director of Federal Sector Programs. We're here to talk about the Excel Conference. Welcome, Dexter. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Tim. Appreciate it.
So let's start with some basics. So who is going to be at the conference this year?
So the Excel Conference is designed, and for those who don't know, the Excel Conference stands for Examining Conflicts and Employment Law, and it's really designed for those practitioners in the field of EEO, HR, civil rights, advocacy type of work in this arena. So we hope to have a full array of folks within those occupations participating.
And where is it going to be this year?
So this year we're going to be in Washington, D.C. at the Washington Hilton on Connecticut Avenue in Northwest, close to the DuPont Circle Metro.
And when exactly?
So the conference is, the main conference runs from July 10th to the 12th. We have a pre-conference day, July 9th, which has some special tracks for folks who are looking for certain certifications.
Okay. And tell me, what are some of the highlights of this year's conference?
So this year's conference, we have a broad array of workshops, over 70 workshops designed to provide information on EEO diversity issues. We have at least 6 workshops on harassment, because right now, harassment is very much in the news, as it should be. And so we have a bunch of workshops that's really going to break it down, give some useful tools to organizations trying to address those issues. We have some exciting plenary speakers from Nora Billings-Harris. She's a leading diversity speaker on tying diversity to strategic outcomes of organizations. And we also have Dusty Baker, who's the former manager of the Washington Nationals, who's going to lead us through the history of baseball and its intersection with civil rights in our country.
So all baseball fans need to come to this year's conference.
All baseball fans, anyone who's a fan of Mr. Baker, definitely need to register for this year's conference.
So before the conference, there's actually some pre-conference activities too. What are those about?
So certain folks in this field have certification requirements or just want to enhance their skills. So we offer 3 different courses for those who do counseling, which is dispute resolution, or investigation. We have 2 refresher courses for those topics, and then we have a specialty track for those who litigate in the federal arena in administrative law before EEOC or the American Citizens Protection Board, so that you can enhance your skills and see types of skill sets necessary to be successful in litigation.
Is there any other specialty track or just the litigation?
So throughout the conference, there's specialty tracks for those who want advanced knowledge on how to conduct barrier analysis. And then if you do practice before EEOC and administrative law, we have a subsequent track that tracks the next 3 days. We call it a hearing preparation track that folks can take for that if they would be interested in that type of advocacy work.
Okay, so just to wrap it up, if you were going to try to convince somebody to come, what would you say?
I'd say if you really have a strong interest in EEO and diversity issues, this is a labor of love for us at EEOC. It's not a profit-making venture. We don't make money off the conference, but we really try to strategically leverage it to give stakeholders information they need to be successful. Because ultimately, our mission at EEOC is to end and prevent discrimination, and a big part of that is through education. And this conference is really designed to provide that education.
Great. Well, thanks. So if you're interested, and I hope that you are, you can go to eeoc.gov and follow the links to the Excel conference, and you'll be able to register there. Thanks a lot.